Hey everyone, it's Christmas Eve, 2021 is coming to an end, and I just wanted to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, a safe holiday season, and a Happy New Year. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, I wish your family is happy and healthy over the next couple of weeks, and I hope you kick off the new year and kick off a fantastic year for you and your family. To all of you who have been here with me on this YouTube journey over the last couple of years, it's really crazy to read through all the comments and all the videos over the past couple of years and just see how many of you have gotten engaged, how many of you have started side hustles, how many of you have started freelancing, and how many of you enjoyed the channel. I feel incredibly grateful to have you all here, and I'm really gunning for providing a lot of great content, a lot of great value for all of you in 2022 as well. And to those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, welcome, and I really hope you enjoy what I have coming in the new year. Over the next couple weeks during the holiday season, I'm gonna be taking a lot of time to really level up my video production skills and also brainstorm some awesome video concepts that I hope to bring to you all early 2022. The goal is to keep providing value to all of you, keep giving you guys the information you need to continue to grow in your side hustles and your freelance businesses and in anything else that you're going after to help you make money online. My goal with this channel for 2022 is to continue to provide value to you all that will ultimately help you continue to make money online. Whether you're just starting your side hustle, you've just gotten into freelancing, or you've been doing it for a while, my goal is to help you form a new perspective, learn new skills, and learn how to do things that'll help you improve the quality of your life and make more money for you and your families. So yeah, I'm really excited for 2022, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the content. I'm gonna be trying to cover a wide range of topics that are gonna be helpful for you. Things like how-to videos, making money online, how to start a business, how to start a YouTube channel, how to be a freelancer, how to work on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and all the other freelance platforms out there, sales skills, negotiation skills. I really want to provide enough content to you that you can have a full grasp on how to do a bunch of different things, so you really never feel left hung out to dry if something changes, you need to make more money in your life, or you're determined to try something new. I want to prepare you for a lot of different situations. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Just wanted to thank you all for being here, wish you a happy holiday season, a happy new year, and get you a little pumped up for what I have to come in 2022. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, cheers.